The last entry was Disney's Alien Romulus, a film a lot of people liked, but I didn't. I equated it to a greatest hits album done by a horrible cover band, the Gen Xenomorph versus Gen Z. But this one's going to be totally different because it's Disney's Alien Earth, which is Gen Z versus a Gen Xenomorph. And it's not a movie, it's a streaming series on Hulu, which is soon going to absorb Disney Plus, but renamed Disney Plus because Disney doesn't want to admit that D Plus failed. Now, I can't say my hopes were high for Alien Earth, but I was at least intrigued because it was going to be written and some episodes directed by Noah Hawley, who admittedly has done some good work with Fargo and the first 2 seasons of Legion. Unfortunately, he also made the 3rd and final season of Legion. So are we going to get Fargo Noah Hawley or Legion Season 3 Noah Hawley? But before we even start, we already run into a bit of a problem. Alien Romulus was actually a sequel to a prequel and a prequel to a sequel, making it a midquel. Or was it? Technically, it was an interquel, a type of midquel that bridges the gap between 2 previously published stories. For example, a movie that occurs after the first movie but before the second movie in the series. Alien Earth is set before Alien, making it a sequel to a prequel and a prequel to the original, which would still make it a sequel in this case, making Alien Earth a true midquel, a story set within the time frame of an existing work, specifically between 2 already published stories or during a time skip within a single work.